We want to start to study about factorization as we look at this simple aspect first, and that is multiplying out the bracket. What do we mean by multiplying out the bracket? Look at this. This 6 is standing outside the bracket, and we have 2a plus 5 inside the bracket. Once you have it this way, the meaning of it is you multiply 6 by everything inside the bracket, and that is multiplying out the bracket. So 6 multiplied by 2a, that is 12a. 6 multiplied by 5, that is 30. But because of this plus, you put your plus there, 30. And that is number A. As simple as that. Look at the B part. You have minus 5. This minus 5 is outside. Multiply minus 5 by everything inside the bracket. And that's what we call multiplying out the bracket. Minus 5 multiplied by m, minus 5m, minus times plus, minus 5 times 3, 15. As simple as ABC. Now look at C part. You have minus 7 into 2a minus 3b. So this minus 7 is multiplying out the bracket. Minus times plus, that is minus. 7 times 2 is 14a. Minus times minus is plus. 7 times 3 is 21. 21b. So very simple. Let's look at D part. You have 4 into minus 2a minus 3. So this 4 is multiplying out the bracket. So you multiply 4 by 2a. But don't forget that you have plus 4 here, minus here. Plus times minus is minus. 4 times 2 is 8. Then you put your a there. Now, this is plus 4 minus. This is plus, minus. Plus times minus is minus. 4 times 3 is 12. As simple as ABC. So if you understand this, I want you to do this E part and F part. We continue our study of factorization as we want to expand this and simplify. Now look at the first one, 2a Look at the first one. So don't forget what we discussed last about multiplying through the bracket. This is 1 here. That one is multiplying through the bracket. So 1 multiplied by this, you make 2a. 1 multiplied by 4, you make 2a. So let's write this one down. And then you remove the bracket. The same thing here. 1 is here. 1 is multiplying through the bracket. That's a minus 3. Then you have your 2a. Bring this a together with the 2a. So you have collected the like terms. 2a plus a, that's 3a. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it's as simple as ABC. Look at the second one. You have 5m. You have 5m minus m into bracket. Now, don't forget that there's 1 here. And that one is the one multiplying through the bracket. So you have 5m minus times minus become plus. Then you have your m. 5m plus m, that's 6m. Very simple. Now look at the third one. For the third one, you have 5 into a minus 2, everything bracket here. Then minus 3 minus a into bracket. So this 5 is the one multiplying through this bracket. So multiply 5 by everything inside the bracket. 5 times A is 5A. 5 times 2 is 10. But don't forget that this is plus, this is minus. Plus multiplied by minus is minus. Then you have your 10. The minus multiplied by plus become minus. Then you have 3. Minus times minus is plus. Then you have A. So you collect the like terms. You have 5A plus A minus 10 minus 3. So 5A plus A is 6A. So this is minus 10 minus 3. So what you do is just add 10 and 3 and put the sign of both, which is minus minus, which is minus. So you have minus 13. So it's as simple as ABC. That's for number 3. Now we want to look at number 4. This number 4 is also very simple. Just write this one down. It is this minus 3x that is multiplying through the bracket. So minus times plus here, that is minus. Then 3x times y, that is 3xy. Minus times minus, that is plus. 3 times 2, that's 6. Then you have your x there. So this 5xy, this is also xy, 3xy. 5xy minus 3xy, they are the same thing, xy. That is 2xy. So write your 2xy and then put your plus here, 6x. So if you understand what you have done, I want you to do this number 5 and leave your answer in the comment box below. Hello, wonderful people. We want to find the highest common factor that we refer to as HCF of the following algebraic expression. This is very essential when we want to know how to factorize. Let's look at the first one, and then you can draw a line. Look for the number that go exactly in this 9 and 27. That is a number that will go without remainder. 3 will go here. 9 divided by 3, 3. Then write your AB. 27 divided by 3, 9. Write your ABC. 3 divided by 3, 1. Write your AB. 9 divided by 3, 3. Write your ABC. Now, which other number can go exactly? So there's no other number that can go exactly here. Now come back to the letter or symbol. This is A, this is A. Write your A down. AB divided by A. AB divided by A. That is B. So write your B down. Then 3ABC divided by A. ABC divided by A. You have your BC. So write your BC here. Now, you can write your 3 down. This is B. This is also B. Write your B here. B divided by B, you have 1. 3BC divided by B, you have your 3C. So there's no other letter that you can find here and here again. So these are the HCF. So you now say HCF equals 3 times 3 times A times B. 3 times 3 is 9. Then you have A times B is AB. That's all. So this is the HCF. Now we look at the second one. I've written down this here. Now which number can go exactly in 15 and 25. First of all, settle with the numbers before you come back to the letter. So we have 15, 25. 5 can go exactly in 15. How many times? 3. Now 25 divided by 5, that's 5. So there's no other number that can go exactly again. Now go to letters now. When you get to the letters, which letter can you find here and here? You can find X here and X here. So you write your X down. Write these 3 down. So you now say, okay, X, Y squared divided by X. So you cancel this. You have Y squared. So write your Y squared down. So the same thing, you do the same thing here. This is 5X squared Y divided by X. So this is X times X. So this X cancel 1X here, making 5XY. So you have 5XY. Now, X is no longer common, but Y is common. So you put your Y here. So this 3Y squared divided by Y. This one is Y times Y. So Y cancels one of the Y's. So you have 3Y. So you have 3Y. Do the same thing here. You have 5X. So there's no other number or letter that is common. So your ACF is equal to 5 times X times Y, which is 5XY. So that's the answer. Very simple. Now let's look at the third one. For this C part, we have this already written down. First of all, settle with the number. This is 8, this is 24. What is the least number that can go in 8 and 24? We have 2, so you have 4 here. 8 divided by 2, 4. 24 divided by 2, 12. Then you can still use 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. Now you can still use 2 here. 6 divided by 2, that's 3. Now there's no other number that can go exactly. So you get to the letters. So look at it. You have M here, you have M here. So you have 1 here, you have 3 here. So you can get 1. This is M times M divided by M. So you cut 1 off. So this one, it has only 1. This is 3M divided by M. So you can cancel this. You have 3N squared. So M is no longer common to both. So N is common. You have N2, N2. So you have N, have here like this. Because if you say M squared 2, M squared N2 divided by N. So you cancel 1 N here. So you have M squared N. That's how we get this. So the same thing here. Then you have your N. You have M squared. You have 3. So your ACF is equal to, multiply all this. 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, that's 8. This N, this N, 1, 2. So as simple as ABC. So that's C. Now, I'd like you to try this D and E and leave your answer in the comment box below. Now, we are coming to the end of the study for today. By tomorrow or day after, you begin to look at factorization further. Until then, I want to say bye.